Last week's challenge saw the final 4 contestants cook together as a team to put up an international menu. Smita, Neha and Jamila made it to the finals in what was nail-biting competition. Richa's spirited fight, however, came to an end and she had to bow out of the competition. The top 3 finalists in this search for India's best home cook: Smita, Neha and Jamila.
This is the Radical Rise to Riches Healthy Taste Challenge, and today is our grand finale. The 5 of you are our eliminated contestants. It's an absolute pleasure to have the 5 of you back here today in our competition kitchen. Now though, it's time for us to meet our grand finalists. Our first finalist from Kolkata, Smita Bose. From Bangalore, Jamila Saki. And Neha Kulashrestha from Jaipur. As you know, this is our grand finale. The 3 of you will be vying for the title of best home cook in the country. The task today is actually quite simple. We want you to make a versatile Indian thali.
हम लोग के कोलकाता में थाली मीन्स चावल होता है, 3-4 तरह का डिशेस, फिश वगैरह रहता है, तो उसको कैसे मैं सजाऊं, क्या करूं, वही मेरा चल रहा था.
Using ingredients that they are going to select for you.
सबसे पहली नज़र मेरी पेंट्री पर गई कि इधर क्या क्या रखा हुआ है, ये लोग क्या क्या दे सकते हैं.
अगर उन लोग कुछ वियर्ड दे देगा तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम होगा, बिकॉज टाइम भी हम लोगों को ध्यान में रख के चलना है.
I see a smile on your faces.
रिचा ने बहुत हंसी, बिकॉज उसके साथ भी काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम हुआ था, तो दैट इज़ अ टाइम टू टेक द रिवेंज.
नहीं, मुझे बहुत मज़ा आ रही थी उस समय, क्योंकि बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा था कि मतलब आज इनको ऐसा टास्क मिला है कि ये कुछ हमारी तरफ से जो हम चूज़ करें वो किया जाए.
कौन दोस्ती निभाएगा, कौन दुश्मनी निकालेगा आज अपनी मेरे साथ.
Will the 3 of you please take your workstations? In our pantry, we have 5 different kinds of ingredients. Each of you will select 1 ingredient from each group and place that ingredient in each finalist's basket. You must put the same ingredient in each contestant's basket. Sajna, would you like to go first?
Okay.
Yeah.
Task you have chosen is really a great. You didn't give any idea that what you are going to do.
इंडियन थाली में उनको सब्जी देना था, तो मेरी बारी जब आई तो मैंने मेथी की भाजी दी.
फाइनल में तो कुछ टफ होना ही चाहिए, तो इसीलिए हमने ज़रा अलग अलग चीज़ें चूज़ करके उनको दी.
हमने तो स्वीट पोटैटो चूज़ किया एंड ये सोच करके कि मतलब हाँ, अगर कॉन्टेस्ट है तो चैलेंजिंग होना चाहिए.
तो वंस आई थॉट के अच्छे वाले इंग्रेडिएंट्स देते हैं जो शायद कभी बनाए ना हो उन कॉम्बिनेशंस को, और उससे कुछ नई रेसिपीज निकल के आएंगी.
Smita, Jamila and Neha, in your baskets you have 6 ingredients. You have rice, tinda, urad ki dal, small bengan, methi, and you have sweet potato. Your challenge is to create a versatile Indian thali from all of the ingredients in that basket. But since this is the grand finale, we have one big surprise for you. Joining us today in our competition kitchen is one of the finest chefs of India. I can tell you that he is a pioneer of modern contemporary Indian cuisine. He has one of the most well-known restaurants in the country, and he is the winner of Foodistan.
You are our winner!
I'd like to call upon Chef Manish Mehrotra.
और नर्वस हो गए कि एक तो शेफ था, ऊपर से फिनाले का प्रेशर, फिर उसका दूसरा शेफ. वी आर ऑल वाज totally in pressure.
I have to say, it's a real privilege to have you here, Chef.
No, thank you so
Seriously,
much. I'm honored.
The three of them are required to put together a versatile Indian thali.
Wonderful.
We've given them 6 ingredients.
Make it more interesting. Add few more things if you can. Then it will be better, I think.
If you had to pick a bunch of ingredients that they had to cook with from here,
yes, I can some.
You want to come around and have a look?
Yeah, why not?
उन्होंने ढूंढा, काफ़ी ढूंढा, पेंट्री में ढूंढा, देन वो फ्रिज के पास गए और फ्रिज में से चिकन और फिश जब निकाला तो मेरा दिल धक 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 धक. ये क्या निकाला है? रखो रखो इसको, वापस रखो, दूसरा निकालो.
Paneer.
Okay.
Indian meal without paneer.
Not complete.
Yeah. I think some non-vegetarian stuff, more protein.
Yeah, it was. Yeah. That's what I was wondering. I was like, missing.
जब नए सिरे से वो शेफ़ आके हम लोग को 4 इंग्रेडिएंट्स और ऐड करे, ऑफ कोर्स मेरी प्लानिंग तो पूरी बदल गई थी कि मैं मछली का ऐसा बना दूंगी और बैगन का बनाऊंगी. और
मेरे को तो पता भी नहीं था एग्जैक्टली वो था क्या चिकन मटन में, बस मैं उसमें से सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ पहचानती थी, वो पनीर था.
आई वॉज जस्ट प्रेइंग दैट कुछ भी आ जाए मैं कर पाऊँ, ऐसे फ्रीज ना हो जाऊँ वहाँ पे जाके.
And should we throw them something sweet as well?
Why not? Wonderful. Mangoes.
Remember, you can also add any kind of bread, chapati, papad, anything you think that will give you an edge in this competition. To cook this thali, we're going to give you a very generous 1 hour.
Oh my God.
And you need to use all those ingredients in your thali.
Start with chicken first. That's it.
Best of luck.
Best of luck.
Thank you, Chef.
Your time starts now.
पहले 15 मिनट था आई वॉज वेरी बिजी विद कटिंग चॉपिंग, थोड़ा इधर उधर हो रहा है, पूरा फैला हुआ था.
गार्लिक का जिंजर देखा है तुमने? कहाँ है?
हाँ है, मेरे पास है, मेरे पास.
तुम्हारे पास है? ये दे दो मुझे.
स्टार्टिंग के 20 मिनट तो मैं इतना बिजी थी कि किस चीज़ को कहाँ रखूँ, कैसे रखूँ. एक कुकर था, दो चूल्हे थे, बस उन्हीं को यूज़ करते हुए 1 घंटे में इतनी सारी चीज़ें करनी थी.
गार्लिक का ये जिंजर का पेस्ट तो कहाँ रख दिया तुमने?
पिता मुझे थोड़ा सा लग रहा था, घबरा रही थी बीच बीच में, क्योंकि वो बहुत ज़्यादा अपने आप से बातें करे जा रही थी.
पोहा चाहिए और क्या चाहिए था?
You are down to under 45 minutes.
जमीला का मुझे लग रहा था कि उसको अपने लेबनीज़ खाना बनाना ज़्यादा अच्छा आता है, तो इंडियन थाली पे कहीं पे वो चूक करेगी. नेहा वो झटपट कुक टाइप है, तो वो कुछ करके असेंबल कर देती है सब कुछ.
I think the winner will be who will organize better, who will do the time management better.
Neha actually hasn't started on her chicken or her fish.
आपका चिकन अभी शुरू नहीं किया है, पकाने में टाइम लगेगा.
शेफ ने आके नेहा को बताया भी कि आपका चिकन अभी शुरू नहीं हुआ है. उन्होंने आके हिंट भी किया और उसको हेल्प भी करना चाहा.
मेरे को चिकन और फिश बनाना अच्छे से आता नहीं था, तो मुझे लगा कि मैं अगर चिकन और फिश के चक्कर में अभी बढ़ूंगी तो हो सकता है जो चीज़ें मुझे अच्छे से आती हैं वो मैं टाइम पे कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाऊँगी.
You have a little over 30 minutes to go.
जब मैंने चिकन को हाथ में लिया तो लग रहा था कैसे कट करूँ इसको, क्या करते हैं, छुरी लग गई तो बीच में अटक रही थी उसमें. फिर मैंने फ़िश उठाई, देखा ये क्या है, फ़िश जैसा तो लग रहा है. फिर मेरे को लगा इसके ऊपर का लाइक जो छिलका टाइप है वो उतारना होगा. उसको उतारने का ट्राई किया, वो उतर ही नहीं रहा था. फिर मैंने ऐसे ही उसको मैरिनेट करके तवे पे फिर फ्राई कर दिया.
जीरा पाउडर किसी के पास है क्या?
हाँ हाँ इधर.
तुम सारा लिख के रख देती हो, तुम उधर दे. यू मस्ट बी गिविंग ओवर देयर.
आई वॉज रनिंग हेयर एंड देयर, ये नहीं हो रहा था, वो नहीं हो रहा था, लेकिन कैसे भी हालत में हमको मैनेज करना ही था.
What are you making? Chicken with?
Chicken with kasuri methi, cream and khoa.
What you are making?
I'm just making a dry tinda, chef, to eat with the roti or rice, anything.
What are you making?
Sir, this is bharwa baigan and bharwa tinda. My bharwa tinda and bharwa baigan is also ready.
You forgot to put.
You're coming up to your last 20 minutes.
Last 20 minutes के बहुत ज़्यादा pressure था.
Jamila?
Yes, chef.
How many components of that thali have you gotten down now?
1, 2, 3, 4, chef. Dishes complete होना था, plates up होना था, थाली बनानी थी.
सबसे ज़्यादा प्रेशर वाले लास्ट के 20 मिनट थे क्योंकि मेरा कुछ भी तैयार नहीं हो पा रहा था. जो हो भी गया था तैयार, मुझे ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा था कि क्या चीज़ मेरी बन चुकी है, क्या रह गई है.
You're coming up to your last 13 minutes.
Smita, you have an extra कढ़ाई there?
कुछ नहीं है मेरे पास.
Lachha paratha, very nice.
Come on, contestants, you're down to your last 5 minutes.
2 मिनट्स रह गए तो प्लेट में सारी चीज़ें थी. अब मेरे को समझ में नहीं, प्रेशर के कारण मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि इसमें क्या रह गया, लेकिन मुझे अंदर से लग रहा था कुछ समथिंग इज मिसिंग.
You're down to your last 30 seconds. 10, 9,
नहीं मिल रहा है मुझे.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Stop. We are now going to come around and taste each of your thalis. Chef?
Yeah, why not? Tell me what all things are there.
This is methi and brinjal. This is urad dal. This is fish. This is paneer with tinda. And this is kasuri methi and with cream chicken. This is meetha with that sweet potato and mango stuffing inside. And this is papad and this is meetha pulao. This is rock salt and sugar and what I didn't get lemon to put it.
पनीर हल्का सा लग रहा था नीचे. It was good.
Thank you.
Something new with the sweet potato.
Yeah.
Nice, very nice.
Thank you.
What all things are there?
This is mango with paneer.
Brinjals are there.
Yes.
Tindas around. इसमें क्या है?
इसमें sweet potato.
And ये?
This is mash का वड़ा.
Urad dal.
Urad dal.
Fish, chicken, methi chicken.
Yes.
This is paneer with mango. Nice.
Thank you, chef.
Thank you, Jamila.
Thank you, chef.
You're the only one who gave bread also. बताएंगे क्या क्या?
So this is jeera rice. This is chicken with shimla mirch, and this is methi aloo. This is shakarkandi chaat. This is dal. This is paneer, and this is fish salad, dahi, and my bharwa tinda and bharwa baigan is also ready. If you want, can I serve for you?
You forgot to put.
Yes.
और भूल गए आप डालना.
Yes.
First we'll taste this and then.
आप चाहें आप अपनी डिश ला सकते हैं, हम आपको इस पर जज नहीं करेंगे, बट टेस्ट कर सकते हैं अगर रेडी है।
Fish or chicken, you're making it for the first time?
Yes. This is mango shake with milk and sugar and some dry fruits.
More tasty, chef. I mean, they didn't get to the thing, but let's just.
Yeah, why not?
Taste them. Remember, आपके ये definitely रह गए. Thank you.
Thank you
all
very
of you.
much.
Thank you very much.
Excellent, excellent.
The winner of the Radical Rise to Riches Healthy Taste Challenge is we gave you 1 hour in which you had to make a versatile Indian thali using 10 different ingredients. Chef, what do you have to say about that?
Incredible. Really, really tough task, and you all managed to finish it properly and nicely.
Thank you, Chef.
So let's talk about the things that really wowed us with your 3 thalis. Let's come to you first, Smita. Chef?
The most outstanding thing, that is your sweet potato dessert. First time I tasted it, and it was really, really good. Jamila, your vadas. That vadas, it didn't look that good, but the thing is, it tasted very nice, and your chicken was very, very good.
Thank you, Chef.
Neha, your dal was very, very good, and your paratha was very, very good.
Thank you.
There were also some things about your thalis that didn't quite work. Smita, your combination of methi with bengan just didn't come together.
The chicken was a bit tough.
Dried out a
and
little.
chewy, yeah.
Now let's come to you, Jamila.
Your paneer and mango combination, I think it was a last-minute kind of a thought.
Was it last minute?
It was just that I have to do it, I have to use it, so I'm using it. And that sweet potato and yogurt, that didn't work very well. Neha, your paneer was not up to the mark.
Yeah. Masala was not balanced.
Yeah.
The contestant whose name I'm going to take now will not be our top 2 tonight. And that person is
That person will be Smita.
जब क्रिटिसाइज किया था शेफ ने, तब मुझे समझ में आ ही गया था आई विल बी द पर्सन हु विल बी एलिमिनेटेड.
स्मिता का तीसरा होना was a real shock to me.
आज जब वो शो में स्मिता एलिमिनेट हो गई तो उनका बिहेवियर एकदम चेंज था.
I have to say, you're one of the strongest cooks we've seen in the competition. You've done fabulously well. Tonight, unfortunately, was just not your night. We're now down to the 2 of you, Jamila and Neha. But before we can decide and announce which one of you is going to walk away with that title, I'm going to call upon the Managing Director of Radical Rice, Mr. Siddharth Chaudhary. How did you come up with this idea?
We have been working with the consumers from quite long. We have been serving them our rice, and they have been using it quite extensively. At times, we encountered situations where we came out with exceptional cooks. So I just thought that why not give a platform to a home cook who has never thought about becoming a celebrity chef, maybe. This is something which is big. It's not a small platform to perform at and to show your skills at.
Well, they're the top 8 out of 2.5 lakh registrations.
And I think we should really congratulate for that. They should be, I think, proud of what they have been able to do.
Fantastic. Smita, would you like to join our other contestants, please?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Well done. Well, between the two of you, it was really, really difficult. The question was, whose was the most complete thali and whose was the most delicious, tasty and memorable thali. Let me tell you what the winner stands to win today. You stand to win the prestigious title of Best Home Cook in India. You also get an incredible trophy from Radical Rice.